Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to check your steps on an Android phone. First, open the Google Fit app on your Android device. If you don't have it, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, go to the Home tab. You'll see your daily step count displayed on the screen. You can also check detailed stats by tapping on steps for a more detailed view of your activity. That's it. You've successfully checked your steps on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.